So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi Bunny! Just kidding, it's me, Blippi, and I was just acting like a bunny. Hey, why don't we draw a bunny together today? Wow, I love bunnies. They are so cute and fluffy. All right, let's draw the head. There we go, nice circle. Ooh, and let's draw the ears. They have big, tall ears. Yeah, there we go. Whoa, and now let's draw the face. 2 circles for the eyes. Ooh, a circle for the nose. Oh, and then down here, yeah, let's draw the buck teeth. There we go. And speaking of buck, yeah, an adult male is called a buck. Yeah, an adult female bunny is called a doe, and a child is called a kit. Isn't that cute? Whoa. All right, let's draw on the eyes. There we go. Can't forget about the big whiskers. There we go. So cute. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you like to draw? I do too. Let's draw an animal together. Okay, you can guess what animal it is. It's really tall, has a really long neck. Yeah, and they live in Africa. Yeah, a giraffe. Let's draw a giraffe together. First, let's draw the head. Ooh, there we go. 2 little ears, just like that. Oh, and then on top, they have these things called ossicones. Yeah, they kind of look like horns, but they're a lot cuter. All right, 2 small eyes. There we go. And then 2 nostrils, and then a smiley face. Nose, mouth, and eyes. All right, now let's draw the really long neck. Yeah, there we go. And then there's the body. Oh, and then it has 4 legs. There we go. And then the feet. Perfect. And the tail. Whoa. Oh, and you can't forget about all the spots, just like that. Oh, there we go. So cute. Wasn't this so much fun drawing a giraffe together? Yeah. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. I was just acting like a bear. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Speaking of a bear, why don't we draw a bear together? Wow, bears are so cute. They're cuddly, ooh, like a teddy bear. But bears in the wild you want to stay away from. All right, first let's draw a circle for the head. There we go. And then an oval for the body. Ooh, and then, yeah, for the nose right there. Ooh, and another circle for the eye. Ooh, and a button nose. There we go. Oh, doesn't that start to look like a bear right now? Yeah, and then for the body, ooh, and 1 arm right there, a leg, another leg, and the arm. Wow. Oh, can't forget about the 2 cute little ears up there. Wasn't this fun drawing a bear with me? Yeah, I love drawing with you. If you want to draw some more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you later. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to draw something else together? Me too. I think we should draw a hedgehog. All right, I'm gonna take this black marker and draw a diagonal line. Yeah, which is a line on an angle. And then I'm gonna start to draw a circle. Yeah, but I'm gonna stop just like that. And I'm gonna go to the top of the diagonal line, go straight down, and then loop and make a really long L, just like that. And that's the body. But before I go, I'm gonna start to make the circle and color it in, and that is the nose right there. They can smell really well. And then another circle, and that's the eye. And then a big smile, because they're all so happy. And then we need some U's, just like that, for the legs. Whoa! And then we're gonna do some upside down V's. Whoa! For the pokies. Whoa! Wow, there we go. Cute animal. Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? Blippi. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Caw. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I was just acting like a bird. Caw. A stork, to be exact. Yeah, storks are really big birds, and they have really big beaks. Why don't we draw a stork together? Okay, here we go. Let's draw a big marker, and then start with the head. There we go. Whoa, and the body, a little squiggle. And right here. Wow, it's starting to look like a bird. Yeah. First, let's draw the big long bill. Yeah, it's kind of like a triangle, right? And then, here we go. And the eyeball. There we go. But you can't forget about the legs. 2 legs with cute feet, just like that. And then, the wing. That's how they fly. Ooh, and then sometimes, yeah, in stories, they can carry babies. Cool. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? Blippi. Blippi. Good job. See you again. Bye-bye. Caw. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you like to draw? I do too. Hey, I have an idea. Why don't we draw a lizard together? Wow, lizards are so cool. Yeah, it's an animal and it's a reptile, and they live on every continent on planet Earth, except for Antarctica. Whoa. All right, first let's start with the head. All right, here we go. Whoa, what kind of shape does that look like? Kind of looks like a pentagon. Yeah, and then the body. Oh, there we go. Ooh, and then the tail way over here. Whee! Whoa! How does that look? And what's it missing? Yeah, it's 4 limbs. One right here. One right here. One right here. And one right here. Oh, and we can't forget the eyes. And the nostrils. And the tongue. There we go. Wow! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? Blippi. Blippi. See you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And I have a great idea what we could draw today. Let's draw an animal. A really big animal. It's the 3rd largest living land animal today. Yeah, it's a hippopotamus. Oh, what a silly name. Hippopotamus. You can just call him a hippo. All right, let's see. Hippos are really big. So let's draw an oval. Yeah, for its mouth area. Ooh, and then half circle for its head. Ooh, and let's draw 2 small circles for the eyes. Ooh, and then 2 little cute ears. There we go. Ooh, and 2 dots for the nose. Little smiley face, and a really big body because they're so big. Ooh, and then there's 1 back leg and another back leg. Kind of looks like a rectangle. Big belly, and then 2 rectangles up here for the legs. But you can't forget about the tail. There we go. There we go. Hey, hippo. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? Blippi. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.